welcome to my channel Auto Universal India. Please watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe. The Toyota Land Cruiser is sold in India exclusively as a completely built unit imported directly from Japan. Land Cruiser LC300 available in two variants, ZX and GR Sport. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is built on Toyota's new GAF platform, which is the widest part of the TNGA platform. Curve weight 2620 in kg. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 has an electronically limited top speed around 180 to 200 km per hour depending on the road conditions. The Toyota Land Cruiser water crossing depth 700 in mm. The Land Cruiser LC300 has independent double wishbone coil spring front suspension and at the rear rigid multi-link coil spring rear suspension. Dimensions 4960 length in mm, 1990 width in mm, 1945 height in mm, wheelbase 2850 in mm, ground clearance 240 in mm. All dimensions in mm may be different as per variant selected. The Land Cruiser LC300 with new petrol hybrid version is available in other countries with no official plan for India. The Land Cruiser LC300 comes with 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 diesel engine, which creates 304 brake horsepower and generating torque of 700 Nm. The twin-turbo V6 3.3-liter diesel engine uses 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive option with advanced technique like crawl controls. The LC300 GR Sport variant equipped with front and rear torque sensing electronic limited slip differential. Slick and stylish dashboard. Dual tone color effect on dashboard. 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment that supports wireless connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 360-degree view camera and GPS navigation. 12.3-inch digital display offering fuel and temperature gauges, tire pressure monitoring system, lane departure alert, seatbelt reminders, auto air conditioning, 4-zone climate controls, allowing separate temperature settings for front and rear seats, rear AC vents for second row seats, multi-zone climate control for overall cabin comfort. Multifunctional steering wheel with audio and cruise controls. Tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel. The Land Cruiser equipped with power assisted steering system. Land Cruiser LC300 is available in 5-seater, standard in India and optional in global markets. The interior cabin feels wide and commanding view of the road. Features a spacious cabin with luxury attachment like ventilated and heated front 2 seats. The rear seat has a 40:20:40 split ratio to increase cargo space. 1131 liters boot space with rear seat folded or unused. It comes with disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is equipped with 10 SRS airbags as standard across in all variants. The Land Cruiser LC300 holds a strong 5-star safety rating from Global New Car Assessment Program. LC300 features ADAS Level 2, Lane Tracing Assist, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control and Hill Start Assist Control. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, well known for its off-roading powers and as a global versatile SUV. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video.